The connection between sales, entrepreneurship, and spirituality is one that's so interesting to me to think about. Spirituality for me is really growing and discovering and continuing to ask this question, what is this life? And entrepreneurship seems to always be challenging me, at least, to the brink of destruction. So there's always another level, there's always another challenge, and I like to think of my business as a custom-made personal development spiritual program for me, where when I'm really struggling, I'm questioning like, universe, what is this all about? Now, sales is bringing people to make a decision. It's bringing people to answer the question to themselves. Am I ready? Am I willing? Am I able? Am I going for this? And I think it's so exciting to witness people make those investments and make those powerful decisions and change their life. And I choose to believe that the person I hire is the answer to my prayer. And I choose to believe that the person who hires me, I'm the answer to their prayers. Maybe they believe that they manifested me. Maybe I believe that I manifested them. And so, everybody we get to meet as clients, suppliers, as business partners, they're all teachers on this journey with us. And so what a gift it is to be an entrepreneur. And I've only recently actually become spiritual. I think that the term is spiritual awakening. And I've started to see everything, especially my business, as call it God or call it the universe. And it's always an opportunity to learn and always an opportunity to grow. I'm pretty grateful for all these challenges and grateful for all these people that have come into my life with my business.